This video is about finding the mean, median, and mode in Excel. I'm just copying a piece of data from SPSS that we used in the previous video into Excel to show you how to do it in this program. So in column A, I've dropped the caffeine data from SPSS. Right now, this data appears in the order that it was in SPSS, but we're going to move the order. So if you go to Data and Sort, you'll see Sort by column A where our data is, and we're going to sort that from smallest to largest so we can get a better view of our data. And then click OK. And so now you can see that our data goes from smallest to largest. So first we're going to calculate the mean or average of our data. And so to do that, the simplest way is to type out our own formula. So I'm just typing equals average, parentheses, and I'm just going to click on column A and close that parentheses and click enter, and that's going to immediately calculate our average for us. And now moving on to the median, we're going to use a formula like we did the average. So I'm just typing in equals median, parentheses, and then I'm going to click on column A again, close the parentheses and click enter, and that gives us our median. And lastly, we're moving on to mode. Just type in equals mode, parentheses, click on column A, close parentheses, enter, and then you can see that we don't have a mode for this data set. And now I'm going to go over how to calculate the mean by hand in Excel. So we're just going to create our own formula here. So if you can go to Insert Symbol, we're going to use the sigma, which is our symbol for sum. So we're going to find the sum of column A and divide that by n, which is the number of pieces of data that we have. And this is our formula for the mean. So now we're going to take that piece by piece. We're going to insert that sigma again, and so we're going to start by just finding the sum of A. So moving into the next column, we're going to create our formula. So we're going to type in equals sum parentheses, select column A, close parentheses, enter. So that's our total sum of all of our data. Now we're going to type in that number and divide it by n, which is the number of columns that we have. So if you scroll down, you can see the number of columns. We're going to divide by 198 and put in this formula in the next cell. So equals our sum divided by our number, and that's going to give us our mean. And you can check it because you can see that it matches the mean.